Last night it rained so much. It was so windy. So there are a few trees fallen in our property. We are going to clear it. I was supposed to go to the gym at 5:30, but the car can't pass through because there's a branch on the road. So I'm going to go in the evening. That's my mother. She's also coming with me to clear the fallen branches. This is tree number 1. We won't clear it now because this is not the priority. This can be cleaned later also. The priority is the one which is in front of the car, which is on the road. So it's this. So it looks like a small branch. I thought I could just get down and pull it off with my hands, but then I realized this is a small part of the big branch. So it needs to be cut using a machete. So we cleared the road, but I can't go to the gym because I would miss like 15-20 minutes and there's no point. So I'm thinking I'll go at 6 in the evening because I don't want to miss the warm-ups that they do. So I'll go in the evening. So clearing the bits and pieces of it. There's one more tree fallen here. There you go. So we'll have to call somebody to clear it. Let's see आगे अगर कुछ गिरा है, शायद नहीं होगा. Oh, the road is clear. Cleared this also a little because we have a truck coming today for some work. So let's make space for them. Coconuts fallen too, so she's picking them up. Oh. Okay, we go home now. Oh, there's so much on the yard right now because of last night's rain. Oh, it rained so much. The winds were so strong. I thought these coconut trees would fall, but the sun has risen today. The skies look clear. I hope it doesn't rain like that, but yeah, I hope it doesn't rain like how it rained last night. It was very scary. We were inside the house and looking at all the trees sway from one end to the other. So usually beginning of the monsoon, this happens here. Trees fall, the power goes out for like a week or two. So but monsoon is not here yet, but very unseasonal rain. Let's hope for the best this time. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye bye, have a good day.